In light of rising crime rates in the US, staying up to date with the latest home security innovations is crucial. Today, we're going to explore the most cutting-edge home security inventions that could potentially save lives. So, stay tuned as we delve into the exciting world of home security. Smart doorbells. Our first innovation takes us to the front door, where smart doorbells have revolutionized home security. These intelligent devices offer real-time video and audio feeds to your smartphone. They not only let you see who's at your doorstep, but also provide an opportunity for two-way communication. This adds a layer of security and convenience that traditional doorbells simply can't match. Let's discover how they've become an essential component of modern home security. What really spices things up is the whole motion detection gig. Smart doorbells can alert you when they sense any movement near your front door, which is an excellent way to deter potential intruders. Additionally, many models offer cloud storage for video footage, ensuring that you have a record of every visitor. It's a feature-packed invention that's as fascinating as it is practical. Biometric locks. Now, let's talk about biometric locks, a revolutionary way to secure your home. These locks have phased out the need for traditional keys or passwords. Not only are they incredibly secure, but they're also astonishingly convenient. Biometric locks have taken home security to a whole new level. Consider the convenience of never having to worry about lost keys or the need to remember complex passwords. With a biometric lock, all you need is your unique fingerprint, or in some cases, a retina scan to gain access to your home. These locks are nearly impervious to traditional lock-picking techniques and unauthorized entry. It makes it virtually impossible for intruders to breach your door. Knowing that your home is fortified by the most advanced security technology provides a tremendous sense of security. Advanced facial recognition security cameras. Now, let's move on to advanced security cameras, including the fascinating realm of facial recognition security cameras, which are changing the game when it comes to home security. When it comes to securing your home, few devices are as important as advanced security cameras. These modern marvels have redefined what it means to have eyes on your property both day and night. They offer high-definition footage, allowing you to see every detail with remarkable clarity. What's really cool about those facial recognition security cameras is that they can spot familiar faces and shoot you a heads up when they don't recognize someone. It's like a game changer for home security, letting you keep tabs on who's showing up, and if there's a stranger in your space, get a heads up. Comprehensive smart home security systems. For a comprehensive approach to home security, consider a smart home security system. These systems integrate various devices such as door sensors, motion detectors.
It's seriously blowing my mind on what it can do.
And alarms into a single, centralized platform. One of the most intriguing aspects of these systems is their adaptability. They can learn your routines and automatically adjust your home security settings. This personalized approach adds a layer of security that's not only up to date, but also fascinating. It's like having a virtual security guard tailored to your needs. One of the other features of these systems is their smartphone connectivity.
Home by scanning the Matter QR code in the Apple Home app. After a short time, it connects just fine on the first attempt. I can rename it and then add it to any of my virtual rooms here in the Apple Home app. And just like that, our contact sensor is now working in Apple Home.
With a dedicated app, you can remotely arm or disarm your security system. This means that if you forget to activate the alarm when leaving home, you can do it from your phone. It's a convenience that fits seamlessly into our modern lives. Window sensors. To bolster your home's defenses, consider window sensors. These nifty devices detect when a window is open or broken, immediately sending alerts to your security system or smartphone. Window sensors are a fundamental part of a well-rounded home security system. They focus on the points of entry that intruders often target, your windows. First and foremost, the design of these sensors has become sleek and unobtrusive. They no longer disrupt the aesthetics of your home, but rather blend seamlessly with your window frames. The days of bulky and conspicuous sensors are long gone. In today's world where privacy is paramount, some window sensors come with advanced encryption to protect your data. This feature is particularly fascinating as it ensures that your security system remains safe from potential hacking or breaches. Panic buttons.
Disarmed.
In emergencies, time is of the essence, and that's where panic buttons come to the rescue. These discrete devices, strategically placed around your home, can quickly summon help in case of a crisis. Panic buttons are an unsung hero of home security. They're simple yet incredibly effective in ensuring your safety and the safety of your loved ones, particularly in critical situations. The real kicker with panic buttons is how they manage to stay incognito. They're often designed to look like everyday objects or small, unobtrusive devices that can be easily accessed but are unlikely to draw attention. This feature is crucial in high-stress situations where you may need to summon help without alerting potential intruders. The speed at which these buttons can summon help is nothing short of remarkable. Gate Automation Solutions. Enhancing the security of your front entrance, Gate Automation Solutions provide a smart and secure way to control who enters your property without physical contact. Gate Automation Solutions have evolved to become an essential component of modern home security. With the use of remote controls or smartphone apps, you can open and close your gates without having to leave your vehicle or home, making life even more convenient with remote access and smart functionality. What takes it up a notch on the fascination scale is the fusion of gate automation systems with security features like cameras and intercoms, creating a complete security ecosystem that keeps you in control, right from your fingertips, allowing you to verify their identity before granting access. It's like having a virtual doorman who can provide an extra layer of security. Smart gun safes. Next, for gun owners, the safety of your firearms is paramount. Smart gun safes provide secure storage with quick authorized access while keeping unauthorized access at bay. Smart gun safes are a revolutionary solution that caters to the unique needs of firearm owners. These safes are not just about keeping your gun secure. They're designed to prevent accidents, protect your loved ones, and comply with the highest safety standards. The real showstopper with smart gun safes is their biometric access feature. Instead of fumbling with keys or combinations in a high-stress situation, you can quickly and securely access your firearms with a fingerprint scan or other biometric authentication methods. This instant access can make a significant difference in emergencies. In a world where child safety is of utmost importance, smart gun safes offer a vital solution. Artificial intelligence, AI, home security.
Intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming our lives, and home automation stands as one of its most practical applications. Imagine living in a home that's not only smarter, but also more efficient and comfortable. That's the power of AI. It's being used to control home appliances with voice commands, automate tasks that once required manual input.
Now, let's dive deeper into the world of AI-driven home security. This innovative technology is a game changer, not just because it's up to date, but because it's revolutionizing the way we protect our homes and loved ones. Artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer confined to the realms of science fiction. It has seamlessly integrated itself into our daily lives, and home security is no exception. These systems, often equipped with advanced machine learning algorithms, can recognize your home's typical routines. They know when you leave for work, when your kids return from school, and when the mail usually arrives. But here's the real eye-opener. This system is like a detective for spotting those one-of-a-kind events. Whether it's an unexpected movement within your home or an unfamiliar face at your front door, the AI can detect it. Voice-controlled systems. Last but not the least, voice control. Voice control has become a central part of our daily lives, and it's no surprise that it's now integrated into home security. Voice-controlled systems provide a new level of convenience and accessibility for homeowners. What makes them particularly fascinating is how they redefine the way we interact with our security measures. With just a spoken command, you can arm or disarm your security system, lock or unlock doors, or even control other connected devices like lights or cameras. This streamlined interaction makes security management a breeze. With virtual assistants like Amazon's Alexa or Google Assistant, you can use your voice to check the status of your security, ask for updates, or even receive alerts. It's like having a personal security concierge at your beck and call. As we conclude this journey through the world of home security innovations, we've witnessed the remarkable evolution of technology in keeping our homes safe. If you found this video insightful, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Stay updated on the latest in home security and other innovative solutions to safeguard your home. Thanks for joining us, and see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe.